Sketchup 2017, the Pro version that gives you a time limit of 30 days will be available to you. Same for layout and style builders. This is only available for Sketchup Pro for 30 days. Hi everyone, I'm Samson. Thank you for visiting Sketchit.fun. I made this SketchUp tutorial series to teach you how to turn your ideas into reality. Please subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe and bell notification. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. You can search for me at Sketchit.fun. Today I'll be talking to you about how to install SketchUp software. After you Google SketchUp Download All, select Download All. It'll bring you to this page. Now we are in the page SketchUp Download All. It'll bring you to this page. So I recommend you to download the 2017 Make. If you're using Windows, download the 64-bit. If you're using Mac, download the Mac OS. You should download Sketchup Make 2017 because it's the last version of Make. After that, in 2008 and 2019, there's no more Make anymore. So it's good to have this. And of course, the only one I think is applicable to you would be maybe Chinese. If you ever download the French one or the Italian one, right, it's gonna be a different setup because the French have a different kind of keyboard. So let's go ahead. Then for the Pro versions, if you download the Pro version and you don't pay for the license, after 30 days, you can't use it anymore. But for 2017, even if it's Make, after using it for a while, the Pro version will go back to Make. It'll give you 30 days of the Pro version. After the installation file has been downloaded, you go to the three dot and press on download, and that's where your folder will be. So you double click on SketchUp Make and the installation will begin. When you're done, SketchUp 2017, the Pro version that gives you a time limit of 30 days will be available to you. Same for layout and style builders. This is only available for SketchUp Pro for 30 days. If you don't pay for the license, you'll just revert back to SketchUp Make. When you're done with the installation, I'll just double click on this icon, SketchUp Make. So as you can see here, there's an add license, choose template option, or learn. You can add your license here. Then after that, you can choose your template. So when you first begin, this is a window you'll see. Yup, and it's called Chris. So in the next video, I'll show you how to set up the toolbar and the tray, and how to set like shortcuts and everything. Please subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe and bell notification. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. You can search for me at Sketchit.fun. I got feedback on how I can improve on my video from my friends Andre Zane and Julian. Andre is a video editing enthusiast who gave me feedback on how lowering the music volume can actually help you, my audience, hear my voice. Thank you for that. Julian is a mass communication marketing professional who does freelance writing for travel magazines. He told me to lower my music, script my speech, and be careful when I make my jump cuts, and also stick to one or two kind of music. Thank you for the feedback as well. So I've made adjustments as much as I can. Thank both of you for the feedback. You can tell me in person or leave it in the comments section. I'm making these clips for all of you, so if you have any feedback, please feel free to leave it in the comment section so that I can improve on how I want to deliver my information. Thank you very much for your time. Have a good day and see you next time.